Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we will try to learn about compare instruction. How can you use the compare instruction in Delta PLC 14SS2. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our WPL software, and then we will create a new project, and here you have to be choose your PLC which model you have, select and click it OK, and we'll make it little bigger, and here we will design the program. I will choose that internal memory LDM1000 for continue execution, and next I will choose that compare instruction CMP. When you write, after you will get the compare instruction CMP after D0 or any data register you can choose, and next K5 for example I will choose, and start from M0 internal memory and click enter. And next here you can choose that M0 LD M0 and out Y0 for example, because of when you internal memory make it on after an external memory, you have to be external output you can see the visible. Next M1 LD M1 and out Y1, and next M2 we will write LD M2 will write, and out Y2 we will select. And this small program we will download to the PLC. First compile, and then we will make the simulation on and download to the PLC and make it simulation on. And now as PLC is your stop condition, you have to be start from here run mode. As you make it run mode, your PLC will be energized, and simply you can go to this D0. Here you can change your value. That's I am changing only manual for learning purpose. When you're using in the program, after you can real value you can choose. For example, here I will start from K0. K0 is already value and Y2 is energized. And as I give the value up to 5, for example, K1 also, when you OK, your Y2 will be run. If K2 right, K2 you will be when right, also never change. And K3 when enter also not change. 4 also not change. We will define here K5 when 5 value equals with D0, after our Y2 needs to be change his contact. For when we will put the 5, as you put the enter, after your Y1 will be run. And as this value comparison yani means this is comparison K5 up to 5 means this K5 as you put 6, your contact will be go to Y0. And now up to how much this will be run, K5, K7, K8, K9, K10, your value will be net change. As is less than value, less than 5 or equal with 5, your contact will be changing at up to the Y1. And as it's less than 5, for example 4, your Y2 will be energized. And also I will show you in the manual of this command. Go to the simply stop the communication and double click on it, and simple here you can see the question mark click it on the question mark and you will see the instruction details. AP110 compare section S1 and S2 compares with S1 and S2 and results shows in D. Also here is a write S1 first comparison value. When you write in the D0, you can see this one. Here I will show you this D0. S1 is D0. S2 is second comparison value K5 and D comparison result. And your comparison result will be in the out of D. And now as per explanations also he will write. You can read carefully. The contents of S1 and S2 are compared and D denotes the comparison result. Means two comparison values are compared value and the two values are binary values. When B15 equal with 1 in B16 bit data instruction or B31 equal with 1 in 32 bit instruction, the comparison will regard the value as a negative binary value, right? Any any instruction when you write after, you can simply go at the question mark, you can simply directly log into the HTML help. Again I will show you. This is click it enter and again we will have to be compile and download to the PLC. How many times when you make the changes in your program, you have to be must be compile and download, otherwise this previous program will be executes. And these two buttons also you understand now. This is stop mode, this is run mode, and this is the so, online mode for the status view, and this is the simulator. So see this one, we will again change the present value K0 to K4, nothing will be any change. As your value will be compares with the 5, after your contact will be changed. And as this increase than 5, for example K6, and when you write key just on the language and value is only 6, when you write the 6 your contact will be changed. So this way you can use this compare command in your program. And if I hope you will be understand about this compare instruction. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.